Welcome to GhostGear Garage, where legendary machines never die. The jet age is taking off, chrome is king, and bigger is always better. Into that world rolled one of the most extravagant American automobiles ever built. The 1958 Buick Limited. The Limited wasn't just another luxury sedan. It was Buick's flagship. Sitting at the very top of the lineup, it represented the company's ultimate vision of comfort, power, and style. At over 18 feet long, it commanded attention wherever it went. Massive chrome bumpers, a bold waterfall grille, dramatic tail fins, and Buick's signature portholes on the front fenders made it impossible to ignore. Under the hood was a 364 cubic inch Nailhead V8 engine, producing an impressive 300 horsepower. Paired with Buick's smooth Dynaflow automatic transmission, the Limited wasn't built for racing. Instead, it delivered effortless cruising, gliding down highways with the quiet confidence expected of a luxury car. Step inside, and the craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. Plush broadcloth or leather upholstery, deep pile carpeting, power windows, power seats, and a luxurious level of trim surrounded passengers in comfort. Every detail was designed to make long-distance travel feel first class. This was an era when owning a Buick Limited wasn't simply transportation, it was a statement of success. But despite its impressive features, the 1958 Limited faced difficult timing. America was experiencing an economic recession, and buyers were becoming more cautious with their spending. The car's premium price put it beyond the reach of many families, resulting in relatively low production numbers. That rarity has become one of its greatest strengths today. Collectors now consider the 1958 Buick Limited one of the most distinctive luxury cars of the late 1950s. Its bold styling perfectly captures the optimism and excess of post-war America, when automakers competed to build the biggest, brightest, and most technologically advanced vehicles on the road. Today, seeing a beautifully restored Buick Limited is like stepping into a time capsule. Every curve, every piece of chrome, and every luxurious detail tells the story of an era when American cars celebrated confidence, ambition, and unapologetic elegance. The 1958 Buick Limited wasn't just built to get people from one place to another. It was built to make every journey feel special. More than 6 decades later, it remains a shining example of classic American automotive design. A car that continues to turn heads, spark conversations, and remind us of a time when bigger truly was better. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, GhostGear Garage, for daily content. See you in the next video.